We go and go and see. In fact, we see one part of Shatta Wale's show yesterday.
Yeah.
Now he also had a party, yeah, for some of his fans and some people, and yeah, my people, yeah, it was looking good. The atmosphere was wow. The ladies were on point, even though people say they don't dress well, but yeah, if you portray like that, you for look. Wow, make everything fall to 101. Wait, they don't say they go Shatta Wale in there, they go see some of the stars for there. So the ladies too, they tighten up. And yeah, my people, make we just go see. In fact, some of them were also wishing him, happy birthday, etc. So people, let's go and check this out. The party. Just get onto Facebook, hits 103.9 FM. The action is right there. All right. All right, so people, check it out.
That's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Now you're only gonna make these folks know that Shatta movement is the hardest click, believe that. Now what's this special message you have for the dancehall king?
Okay, so Daddy, wherever you are, I wish you a very happy birthday and more greater things, more money, long life and prosperity. I love you so much, Daddy. This is your girl, Benny.
Well, there ain't no being fun to go with him. Alright, so we're still moving along, ladies and gentlemen. It's still Shatta Operation, and I have my pretty princess with me. How you doing, princess? So what's the special message you have for the dancehall?
I just put it out
Hey, one video. Just a mobile party. Now more than we move at once. Your mama you just thinking, hey God, what if I? You know the bar, shut up movement, we know the bar, and feel free. What message you have for the king?
All right, so yeah, you could tell this is just the tip of the iceberg. What actually went down yesterday was a different matter. All right, so people, yeah, now our dancehall king Shatta Wale is in the news. You know, tomorrow we go start wanna cash out. Yeah, tomorrow go be cash out for Shatta Wale. You know, we are doing a 2 weeks rotation on new songs for some artists, selected artists. And tomorrow will be Shatta Wale's turn. Stonebwoy was the first on the list with Gidigba, followed by Blacko with Soldier. They come, make the no touch your skin. Yeah, that one. Make the no catch you off guard. Yeah, then tomorrow will be cash out. It will go chop in 2 weeks. That be how we do them. All right, so hits 103.9 FM. Now, my people, Shatta Wale say in Shatta. He go feel the O2 Arena. But before then, let's look at what he said about Blacko. Shatta Wale has confidence in Blacko, and for me, I think it's a good thing that he's showing it, because either two people thought that he was not happy because of the earlier pronouncements that he made. So for me, that's why we are bringing this to the fore, so that the narrative will change. That Shatta is not against Blacko in any way, but rather for Blacko. And Shatta Wale, this is how we want you to conduct yourselves. Yeah. Make we listen.
See the way Blacko they move sentences. If Blacko want to do show for London right now, where maybe Empire will contact maybe a Live Nation to do a show for him. 20,000 Black Sherif will sell their hands down. He can't tell us that no Ghanaian artist can sell O2. I can put my foot on and say Black Sherif can do that now, as we are there now. And me, I go perform Black Sherif, they do show for that, I go perform. Make Dennis day there, he go to dance for the crowd, I go throw donuts.
All right, so the next one with Dennis, yeah. All right, so let's flow that one too. He had this to say about himself, yeah, at the O2 Arena.
Now let us go back to what Dennis said. He says no Ghanaian artist can fill the O2. What's your take on that?
Because you see, day-to-day they do one-man promotion. When you go to London, when Dennis wants to do a show, is that he will take flyers to barber shop, saloon, all those things. That's what they do. When Whiskey does a show, do you hear the name of the person that did the show?
No.
Okay, Waterland came up. If it wasn't because of Sadiq, we know. Plenty people for outside, they don't know say it's Sadiq do, but they hear the name Waterland. It's a teamwork. I get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
companies where they do Live Nation, they do show for maybe Whiskey. You understand me? When I promoters for outside, the reason why me I know they like travel too much is when they say they do show for outside and you go, they won't take you go some Ghana restaurant. Go chop banku small, make the Ghanaians see you. Even in Ghana, when you go to our villages to go and perform, they tell Mumba. Whiskey will put a flyer out within 3 minutes, 4 minutes, sold out. It's a company that is working. So if Dennis, Alodia, and all those people can't get themselves attached to those companies to work, then this be the talk go they come from him off. Because me Shatta, I believe say if I get a Live Nation behind me, I go feel too.
Hands down.
Yes. So they shouldn't come. You see, sometimes it's because of what they go get. That's why they talk like this. You understand me? And sometimes they pay me say when an artist who know they understand say no, that is not how it's done. Every year, a lot of them will come to Ghana and come and say we don't have money, but we are trying. If we should help us, so but ask yourself, where does the ticket money go? Maybe he's building some house at Teshinungwa, we don't know.
All right, so Shatta Wale, yeah, Charlie, this guy more of an issues way they talk. Anyway, yeah, and Charlie, but you know the kind of promotion when people they do sometimes to Charlie. Guy going to, but you see that is the culture, Ghanaian culture. If you go out, make they see say you come down. It's not a joke, and yeah, because sometimes people they lie them so and so they come, they go wear Dutch. So if you they see you, they go, yeah, but it's not professional. So I can understand what Shatta Wale is saying. Put what you wear out, make artwork go out, make you push the plugs, make the thing sell. You know, so Shatta is looking for world-class kind of event organization and event promotion. But Shatta doesn't come easy. Yeah, you have to also bend a bit in order to work with some of those people. Because Shatta, while working with some of those people, you can't instruct them, order them around like you normally love to do. They know. Yeah. So then again, too, if you are dreaming of having them to support you, you must learn to work as a team. Yeah, that's also very key. I mean, that's just, I mean, my people, we're going to do our first story. All right, so, my people, those of you who thought that Shatta Wale no get lovers for this Ghana, you lie bad. Shatta Wale has been gifted a fresh-looking Range Rover. Fresh-looking Range Rover. My people, when you see the range, it has all the trappings of a customized car. Car where they order for Shatta Wale because he named it up, and if you see the lights to the car and stuff, my people, this is very interesting, and let's just get onto Facebook and see this car for ourselves. Facebook, so start rolling the video of the car. I think Mekwikwe also has this to also play, but my people, let us quickly find out who gave him the car. Now, according to R2B's official on Facebook, the CEO of Stancast Auto Works, Kells, gifted Shatta Wale a customized Range Rover on his birthday. That was yesterday. People, beautiful car by all standards. When you see the front of the car, you go know say this be facelift. But you know facelift. Yeah, of the original models that he used to push.
Yeah, that company, that be what they do.
They just facelift. All right.
They customize.
Yeah, all right. So just like the WABs, we have the Brabas, we have the AMGs, they are post-production companies. All right, so people, let's check this video out. Shatta Wale's new car. Wow, it looks good. All right, so people, get onto Facebook, hits 103.9. Shatta Wale being celebrated by the CEO of Stancast. Yeah, Autos, and it's big, it's huge. Yeah. All right, so King Wale, enjoying his range. Yeah, you can see, beautiful car. It'll be small car. All right, so I don't know why people are of the view that it's a repainted car. I mean, it was a story I saw on GhanaCelebrities.com, and I said, wow. I mean, if you look the cars, I mean, difference there, the two inside. You know, say they don't like issues. So the time I see the thing like that, no, I quickly go research on the car. And my people, I go see the yellow one too. And I wanted to compare, what are they, this car inside where people the feel say be the same? Do they think Shatta Wale cannot buy another car or what? They are mistaken. The guy has money. Yes, at least that's what he makes us to believe. And he shows it too as well, just like this one. All right, so people, now, the yellow Range Rover where people, they won't claim, say, Shatta Wale go respray. My people, they register that car. That car has been registered, Mekekwe. 1 Don 21. So clearly, if he's going to use this car, he can't go on with, he has to have a new number plate. 1 Don 2022.
Yeah.
So please, let's stop that diabo against Shatta. Let's be happy for him. This is why he keeps saying that industry agenda. But Shatta Wale, if you do at the day people them are top. So if you the day you're top small, it's okay. It's all part of the game. So it don't make you know the ball. But then again, too, sometimes through this they talks, we corrupt the minds of people where they feel say what the media they talk be true. All right, so people, you've seen the other Range Rover. It's on our Facebook page live. I believe that, Shatta, you see, everything be okay. You make we drop into the market when we come back. More of stories on